All right, let's take a start. Do you often listen to music?
Yeah, I often to listen.
I often listen to music.
I often listen to music because I really like music when I got free from my daily routine.
When I get free.
When I get free from my daily routine, I prefer to listen music to get relaxed and be some in peace.
Okay, to get relaxed or to relax myself. To relax myself is better. Okay, when do you listen to music? Now you will talk about the time of the day. When do you listen to music?
When I am a professional, when I got free from my
When
job,
I get free.
when I get free from my job, I prefer to listen music mostly.
Okay. This is short answer. You should add some more. When I get free from my job,
And also when I got tea break.
When I get a tea break.
When I get a tea break, I prefer to listen. I mostly prefer to listen music.
Okay, now you're using the word prefer quite a lot. Try to use some other words. Okay. How much time do you spend listening to music every day?
Well, it depends on.
It depends.
It depends on my daily schedule. When I have a lot of time, so I mostly spend on to listen music.
I mostly spend on listening
to music, and also when I'm traveling from local transport, I really prefer to listen because it's good to spend time.
Okay, schedule is not the right pronunciation. Either it is schedule or schedule.
Oh.
Right? Yeah. Okay, one last question. What is your favorite type of music?
Well, my most favorite type of music is folk song, and when I really get bored, I like to listen Honey Singh of most popular singer of India, because his music give me energetic, and I feel
his music makes me energetic.
Energetic, and I feel really relaxed.
I feel relaxed after it. Okay, your answers are overall good, but just try to connect your ideas. Use a variety of words, variety of sentences, and ideas should be also in different directions, right? Okay. Good job. Thank you. Let's go on. Water sports, and water sport is swimming and whatever you want to say. Have you ever done any water sports?
No, actually, because there is no facility.
One minute. First, let the examiner finish the question, then you start your answer. Don't be overexcited. I know this question. Yeah. So, have you done any water sports?
No, actually, because there is no water sports facility available in my hometown, so I never get a chance to try any.
I never got a
chance to try any kind of water sports.
Okay, so you can add a little more to it. For example, have you done any water sports? Well, no, I haven't done any water sports because I never found any opportunity to try any water sports. As I live in Lahore, we don't have any sea or proper river here. But in future, I would really love to participate in any water sports. Let's go on. What water sports do you like doing? Or what water sports do you like doing?
I have seen many people enjoying swimming. If I didn't have any kind of water phobia, so I would like to enjoy.
If I don't talk about people, right? Just for example, what water sport do you like doing? For example, I would love to do swimming.
I would love to do swimming if I don't have water phobia, because I think that I will be drawn into the water.
Because I doubt that I would drown in water. Don't talk about water phobia even. It's just like a sport you want to try. So it's going to be fine, right? Don't swim in the deep swimming pool. You swim in the tub and then you'll be fine. Yeah. You will never drown. No water phobia. Okay? All right. Let's just go on. Once, there was an Englishman and he had a phobia that there is someone under my bed. Every time he laid down, he had this phobia, there is someone under my bed. He went to the most expensive psychiatrists and he got all the things, but everybody failed. Then there was the Punjabi psychiatrist. And he asked him, he said, no worries, you just remove the bed, sleep on the floor, and you will have no phobia. Right? So don't worry about that, okay? Yeah. Balti mein naha liya karo. Koi masla nahi hai. It's easy. Okay. Are water sports popular in your country?
Basically, I live in a small town, and water sports are.
Listen. The topic is about country. Right now, don't talk about town. Now, talk about your country.
Water
So,
sports.
are water sports popular in your country?
Water sports are more popular in metropolitan areas.
No, now I found the reason. The reason is your answers are irrelevant. What you are doing, you are twisting the question. Right? So don't twist the question, answer the question directly, and don't take the question in another way. All right, answer again now. Are water sports popular in your country?
Well, water sports are popular in my country because and government had made many.
No. I answer, okay? And I'll use very simple language. Are water sports popular in your country? Well, I don't think that water sports are common in my country because there are just few swimming pools and only the rich people can afford them. On the other hand, we don't have very good natural water resources like lakes, rivers and seas. So I think water sports are really uncommon in my country. For popular, I use the word common, uncommon. Right? Answer like this. You're twisting the question. You take it to another direction. All right? Yeah. Are water sports important in your country? No, water sports are not important in my country. Cricket is important in my country. I like cricket very much and all that. Don't do it, okay? Let's go on. Yeah. Okay. What kind of water sports would you like to try in the future?
I have seen many water sports.
Again, you are giving the wrong answer. My question is, what water sport would you like to try?
I would
in
like
the future?
to try different.
Yeah.
I would like to try different thing. Water kind
now,
of water.
just be specific. I would like to try scuba diving. I would like to try swimming. I would like to try surfing. Okay, be specific. Answer now. What kind of water sport do you want to try?
I would like to try river rafting or scuba diving because I think that I think that everybody should perform something.
Again, listen. Why are you taking the answer to people or everybody and all that? Right? Just like I said, what do you want to eat? People eat vegetable. Some people eat meat. And the people who eat meat, they are more healthy. And the people who eat vegetable, they are fresh. I want to eat dal. Huh? This is the approach. This is the wrong approach. Now I found the reason. I need direct answers, to the point answers, according to the question. Don't go to people when I say, what kind of water sports would you like to try in the future? I would love to try swimming in the future. Although I don't know how to swim and I really want to learn. And I think swimming is quite relaxing. It helps you reduce your weight as well. So if I ever get a chance, I would love to try swimming. Understand? I need this type of answers. Now you need to focus that. Okay? All right. Thank you.